Hi everyone, welcome back to Read, Make, Learn with Miss Stephanie. Today, I am so excited to share something I created just for you. My brand new daily emotional regulation toolkit for preschool and early elementary learners. Alright, so in this toolkit, you will find everything you need to help little learners understand and manage their feelings every single day. Let me walk you through each page. 6 beautifully illustrated emotion faces: happy, sad, angry, worried, calm, and tired. Every morning during circle time, simply ask your students to point to how they are feeling. This one simple activity builds emotional vocabulary and sets the tone for the entire school day. Page 2 gives students safe and healthy ways to respond to each emotion. When a child feels angry, they can take 3 deep breaths. When they feel sad, they can talk to their teacher or sit in a calm space. Every feeling has a safe action to go with it. Because feelings are okay, we just need to choose safe actions. Page 3 is one of my absolute favorites, the Calm Down Plan. 4 simple steps with large icons that even non-readers can follow. Stop, breathe, go to calm space. Use your words. So print this out, laminate it, and place it right in your calm down corner. Watch how your students start to use it on their own. All right, so page 4 gives you a simple 10-minute morning routine that prepares your students, prepares their bodies and their minds to learn. Check in with their feelings, breathe together as a group, watch a short SEL video, which is in the link and it's also my YouTube channel, and reflect. 10 minutes every morning makes a world of difference for classroom behavior and emotional readiness. And now this is the page teachers tell me they love the most. The teacher quick response script card. Exactly what to say when a child is having a hard moment. I see you're having a big feeling. You're safe. Let's take a deep breath together. So print it out, laminate it, keep it right at your desk, because sometimes in the moment we all need a reminder. All right, so page 6 is a ready to send home family connection note that extends this learning beyond the classroom and into the home. No typing, no prep, just print and send home. Because when school and family work together, children do thrive. All right, guys, so this toolkit is licensed for single classroom use or for home. Everything you need to know about how to use it is right here on the terms of use aid. The Daily Emotional Regulation Toolkit is available right now, guys, as an instant digital download. Print it at home or at school, and you're ready to use it immediately. The link is right below in this video. I'd love to hear how you use it in your classroom, so go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know. And if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss a new resource, tip, or activity from Miss Stephanie. Until next time, keep reading, keep making, and keep learning. Take care. See you soon.